y'all think? Y'all think it's should I cop it or should I get the Charger? I'm so used to buying Chargers and stuff, but the Challenger, bro, that mug got so much power, bro. That mug nice. I love it. All right, YouTube, so right now, we finna get baby boy on a harness, and we finna see what's going on from there. I'm also looking at a wide body Scat Pack Challenger. I've never bought a Challenger in my life. I always get Chargers, so we're gonna see how they go from there. So here we go. Let me get him from on this side. Oh, not my ankle. Y'all, look at this man. Did he really just go to sleep? He trying to go to sleep. Check out his good hair, curly hair, you know what I'm saying? His mama and his dad got curly hair, got good hair. That's a Hellcat. That's a Charger. No, he's crashed up into a bar.
That's your tail. Okay.
Right now we are really doing it. I'm just gonna look at it, see what it is. If it's like that,
Okay.
today or next week for sure. Yeah. I'm not coming in here to mess with these people in their cars, but I gotta make sure it's the right what's name and copyright music is on. I ain't no sucker. It's nice, ain't it?
Yeah.
It's
I
beautiful.
don't like the little owl.
Trying to see what they talking about, what they talking about. I really want to see. Hey, I'm kind of excited though. Challenger, I ain't never had a Challenger. That might be a nice fleet, but I do gotta get a lot of things done to it if I did get this car. They got a multi-car deal, so he was talking about.
So 2 cars in one?
Mm-hmm. You guys, we are in the Challenger. This is a Challenger Scat Pack, bro. He said the Scat Pack is better than what's the name? Let's see. Sport. Drive modes. As y'all can see, these are the modes. Make sure. Controls. I got the dimmer. I got all that. So. This is so far. How you like just a boat?
Yeah.
You just barely tap on the gas and it's trying to take off on you. It's like literally trying to take off. It's smooth as hell though. Oh, the burble. You hear the one?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I need my feet.
Scat Packs is crazy.
Seatbelt walks.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Can you hold a second?
I would have way too much fun this is.
Because I don't like this. My whole body going that way.
Do your seat from over here. It's this side over here.
What?
You can scoot up. I'm scared. I got you. Okay.
Yeah, I'm saying I'm scared of nothing. It's just this motherfucking crash.
this? That was me. That was me, ma. That was me, ma.
You scared them up there on that scooter. I'm sorry, y'all.
I feel like my wheel just went flat from that shit, though.
Yeah, he said it's a little gas now.
Right, so I'm not gonna be doing too much of this. Low fuel already.
Yeah.
Come on, let's do a thumbnail.
In front of Soundwater?
Yeah.
You could have moved because then they'll come out and ask if we need to tour.
Nah.
Yes, they is.
It's hella smoky.
Ooh, it stank too.
I don't like that the steering wheel, like, I kind of want the, I ain't gonna lie, I think I want the 4-door.
It's a little botched in here.
It is a little botched. I think I want the 4-door though. But the Scat Pack is a must. Like, wide body Scat got more handling.
Ooh. If you finna go straight, it's blocked.
I'm going this way. I don't know what this is. Is this a? It look too authority over here. I just need a thumbnail.
Right.
This car just gives me, I ain't gonna lie, not safe. Like, people. Come on, let me get.
Officer, how do you open this door?
I really can get it with this. What y'all think? Y'all think it's should I cop it or should I get the Charger? I'm so used to buying Chargers and stuff, but the Challenger, bro, that mug got so much power, bro. That mug nice. I love it. I love it. It's the wide body, and I'm going wide body. If I do get a Dodge, it's got to be a wide body. But now I got a kid. This would have been cool on some calm shit if we didn't have a kid, but now I got a kid. I feel like I should go 4-door.
4-door.
4-door. I think I should go 4-door. I love that engine though. Come here.
Turn this off?
Yeah. It ain't got no gas in it. Gas is at the bottom, you guys. It is at the bottom. We eating hibachi after this too, by the way, because we hungry.
Starving. Get this from you, boo. This is too much for us. Yes, enjoy.
Oh. It would do that. Mine used to do that back then. I didn't went in.
Let's see better. I'm using the gas now. And you will have to make a wide turn because that front's so wide.
I want the. This is auto, by the way. He already told us people was trying to get his. Damn, they just don't leave niggas alone, don't they? Then somebody hit 99 in this bitch. It feel like you got more control though than a Charger. This is really nice. This is really nice though, I ain't gonna lie. So add it as a collection,
Yeah.
most definitely. But I low-key, I like this shit. I like this shit. I probably will never see this type in the same price ever again. Ever.
What about the steering wheel?
It's like, try to like move it.
It's stiff.
Stiff as it can get.
That mean they just fixed it.
Nah, that's like one of those situations where you have to do like, these are the modes, by the way. Everybody knows those modes. You got valet mode on here too, so I can launch control. This when the car gets loosely loose, like super loose, overly loose.
That's all good.
Yeah, I be wondering, is this too much car for my son too? If we was in the like 4-door, I'd be more.
You'd be alright.
Yeah, I'd be more okay about it. But I like this. I like the Challenger. Wait till my son get a little bigger, add it to the collection. They can't see me. I don't know which, I'm sorry, y'all. But add it to the collection. Oh, that ain't even auto. Now we in auto. But it is fun. This is what you would call a fun ass car. I'm thinking about actually going. I kind of like this though, but a Charger just might give me that more satisfaction. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
I just like the black coating on it. I think somebody did this just right. It's already something like ding wrong with this window, but he said they'll fix it. Oh, I forgot about that shit. I'm gonna just go, man. He's so geeked out, bro.
They was standing there looking at us.
Why he's so geeked out though? He's so weird. You could tell this is but this shit far though. Look at it.
Better than that Jeep.
This is like really that.
Do it again.
This is really that. This is really him though. I would most definitely need a kill switch and valet mode. I like that they got that feature, valet mode. Let's get my kid out of here.
It's a little botched, y'all.
Yeah, it's a little botched in here. But having it as he got older,
Oh, I'm sorry.
would be nice. This shit is nice.
You gonna be mad at me, y'all.
Let's go.
Here you go.
Let's go get him out for you.
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try.
Soon. She's so nice. Y'all let me know below, bro. Listen. You guys. This shit is amazing. I promise y'all, I'm gonna have to go for this same color, the same spec. I'm gonna have to. When I get to the what's name, I swear. Right now we got little man, so you know this is a little bit too much. But I'm gonna get the 4-door, which is the Charger. If I go wide body scat pack, yeah. All right, you guys. So right now I'm gonna do a dope transition. This gonna be one of those type of transitions. Here you go. I'm gonna do a dope transition. Here we go. Ready, set, go.